Alright guys, the highly anticipated big massive moldy strip club bus is now live on our YouTube. Make sure you guys go check it out. Leave a comment, like, and subscribe. This video is definitely worth the watch. Alright guys, the roach and spider infested car is now live on our YouTube. Everyone go check it out. I'm also doing a giveaway for a full detail bundle. All you have to do is comment your TikTok username on the YouTube video along with done, and I will enter you in a chance to win a full detail bundle. Everyone go check it out. The link is in the bio.